In this episode, we are going to use method of separation of variables to solve the given partial differential equations. Equation 1, so partial differential of u with respect to x is equals to 2 partial differential of u with respect to t plus u. 2 partial differential u with respect to t is equals to second partial differential u with respect to x. So example 1, partial differential u with respect to x is equals to 2 partial differential u with respect to t plus u. So u is a function of x and t, and now we let u function of xt to be x multiplied by t. Using the, remember we are using the method of separation of variable. So you replace u with xt. So dxt dx is equals to 2 dxt dt plus xt. Okay, now from this factor out t, you remain with dx all over dx. So this implies that dx is equal to x prime. In simple terms, is equals to 2 factor out x, 2x t prime plus x t. Divide both sides by xt to simplify. So divide by xt, divide by xt, divide by xt. For t and t cancels, x prime divide x, okay, is equals to 2 t prime divide t plus 1 is equals to k. Just k is a constant. So this x prime divided by x correspond to k, and t2 prime divided by t plus 1 correspond to k also. Okay, so x prime x correspond to k, and x prime is dx d with respect to x 1 over x is equals to k. Okay, this is x capital. So we separate the variable d, this is dx x. We now separate the variable. So dx divided by x, we multiply by dx on both sides is equals to k dx. So now find the integral on both sides. Integral of dx over x is equals to integral of k dx. Okay, so this is integral of dx divided by x is log x is equals to kx plus c, where c is now the constant of integration. So x is equals to e raised to the power kx plus c. We have x. Now we find t. 2t prime all over 2 plus 1 correspond to k also. So 2t prime divided by 2 plus 1 is equals to k. Okay. So 2t prime divided by t is equals to k minus 1. Are we together? So you bring 1 on the other side, and t prime is simply equal to dt all over dt, tt small. So 2 all over t is equals to k minus 1. So we separate the variables, multiply by dt on both sides, and you will remain with 2. So dt all over t is equals to k minus 1 dt. Okay. So, and you have to and 2, so divide by 2 on both sides, so half. So and then integrate on both sides. Okay. So log t is equals to half k minus 1 t. So t is equals to e plus c. C is a constant of integration. E is the power half k minus 1 t. So c, bring c here. So t is equals to c, e is the power half k minus 1 is the power t. K minus 1 is the power t. Our general solution, u fraction of xt is equals to t multiplied by x. And our t, you have seen that our t is equals to e raised to the power half k minus 1 t plus c multiplied by x. And x is e raised to the power kx plus c. Okay. So this will be e raised to the power half k minus 1 t multiplied by e raised to the power c, and e raised to the power c is just a constant. So say c e raised to the power half k minus 1 t dot e raised to the power kc kx multiplied by e raised to the power c is just a constant. You bring it here. So c times c, they are constant. Name them a. A is a constant. So u fraction of xt will be a. Remember that a is your constant. E raised to the power half k minus 1 t plus kx, like that.